So let's look at these problems. We are given equations in logarithmic form, and then we would like to rewrite them in exponential form. So let's look at the first one. We are given that log base 5 of x equals 3. So in this statement, we know that 5 is the base. So the number that is written under the log as a subscript is the base. And we also know that the number which equals the log expression, which is 3, is going to be the exponent. And what is inside the log expression will be the number that this exponential expression equals. So x will be by itself on the other side. So we will find x equals 5 to the 5 cubed. So we can evaluate it. 5 times 5, 25, and 25 times 5 will be 125. Okay, so for the next problem, we have log base 2 of 13 equals y. So in this case, the base will be 2 and the exponent will be y. Okay, so the exponent is always, so again remember the phrase, logs are exponents. So this expression, this log expression, which is y, so I mean y equals this log expression, which means y is the exponent. So it's gonna go on top of 2, and we will have 13 on the other side of the equation. So without a calculator, we won't be able to solve for this variable. For the next problem, we have log base b of 10 equals 2. So base is now b, and the exponents, since logs are exponents, so this log equals 2, so that will be the exponent, and 10 will be on the other side of the equation. And for the next one, log base 25 of 5 equals y. So the base in this case is 25. And what is the exponent? The exponent will be y. And this will equal to 5. Okay, so maybe we can find what is y equal to in this problem. So what is the relation between 25 and 5? 5 is the square root of 25. So in fact, we have square root of 25 equals 5. So if we write square root of 25 using exponential notation, we can say 25 to the power 1 over 2 equals 5. So since square root can be expressed as 1 over the exponent of 1 over 2, we can just rewrite, in fact we were able to find the value of y. So if y is 1 over 2, then 25 to the power 1 over 2 equals 5. By the way, we forgot to comment on the previous part for this equation. For the third equation we discussed, can we solve b from this equation? So what number gives us 10 when we square? So this will be square root of 10. So if you like, you can say b equals square root of 10.